Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio on Weebly. First, select a professional theme that truly reflects your style and the type of work you do. Next, organize your projects into clear, intuitive categories so visitors can easily find what they are looking for. Finally, upload high-quality images and videos to make your best projects truly stand out. This initial setup is crucial for a strong first impression. Now let's dive into adding your content. Weebly's drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to add text, images, and galleries to your pages. Take time to customize fonts, colors, and backgrounds to perfectly align with your personal brand. Remember, consistency is key. When describing your projects, keep it concise, focusing on your role, the challenges you overcame, and the results you achieved. Aim for about 50 to 75 words per project summary. To make your portfolio truly shine, focus on the user experience. Include a clear call to action on each project page, perhaps contact me or view more work, guiding your visitors. Optimize all your images to ensure fast loading times. This keeps visitors engaged and prevents frustration. Also, craft a compelling About Me section, sharing your professional journey and passions in about 75 words. This personal touch helps build connection. You're almost ready to launch. Before publishing, meticulously review your entire portfolio for any typos, grammatical errors, or broken links. A polished presentation is vital. Consider choosing a custom domain name. It significantly enhances your professional online presence and makes your site easier to remember. Once live, actively share your new portfolio across all your professional social media platforms to reach a wider audience and showcase your incredible work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.